YouTube is just luck. That's what a lot of new creators and people who don't do YouTube are thinking. Honestly, luck is just a tiny part of the whole process. And I know you all want to make money with YouTube, but you don't want to show your face and you don't know how to start or what niche to select. One of the main things that will determine your success with a YouTube channel is your niche. If you select the wrong niche, you will waste your time and money, and then you will give up your YouTube journey. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing faceless niches. And the crazy thing is creating videos for these niches is super easy. Niche number 1, stories niche. This niche is one of the best niches that you can do in YouTube. There are a lot of sub-niches under this story niche, such as true crime stories, wisdom stories, urban legend stories, funny stories, and more. Let me show you several channels that are making millions of dollars with this niche. This channel posts videos about wisdom and spirituality as stories, and they have managed to gain 1.1 million subscribers within a short period of time. All of these videos are generated by AI, and it's super easy to create. My next example channel is the one called Living Wisdom. They also post videos about wisdom stories, and they have more than 1.7 million subscribers. The third example channel is this one, which is about urban legends and horror stories. They are probably making more than $2,000 a month with this channel. If you want to start a YouTube or TikTok channel in this niche, I have found the best tool for that. This is an AI video generator that uses Flux image model to generate images for your stories. This AI tool is called bigmotion.ai. Let me show you how to use this tool to create images for this stories niche. This is a video series that I have already created for the motivation stories niche. Let's create a new series. You can do that by clicking this create series option. Now, you need to select your niche from here. As you can see here, we have all the niches that we need: bedtime stories, urban legends, funny stories, and philosophy and wisdom. For this example, I'm gonna go with the urban legend stories niche. Once you select your niche, click this next button. Now, you can either connect your YouTube or TikTok channel to this, or you can add your email. I'm gonna use the email option for this. Then, you need to select a suitable AI image style for your videos. For this case, I'm gonna go with this photorealism option. Then click the next button, and now you need to select a suitable AI voice for your video. Check all the voices and make sure to select a suitable voice. And lastly, you need to select a suitable background music for this video. Make sure to select a scary background music because our niche is about urban legends. And after that, click this generate button to create your video. As you can see here, the video is completed. Now, if you click this edit button, you will come to this page. So if there are any AI images that you don't like, you can replace those images with new ones. You can edit the images, regenerate them, and render a new video. You can even use their AI engine to animate your pictures, transforming them into engaging animated videos. Soon, they'll be launching a prompt-to-image generation feature with Flux. And let's see the final output.
In the late 1790s, whispers of a shadowy figure terrorized the cobblestone streets. Known only as the London Monster, it struck fear into the hearts of many. By night, it would emerge, leaving mysterious claw marks on doors and windows. Witnesses claimed to see a cloaked figure vanish into the fog. Panic spread and theories flourished. Was it a beast, a man, or something otherworldly? One night, a brave young woman set a trap. To her shock, she caught a mischievous monkey, escaped from a traveling circus. The monster was merely a prankster in disguise. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.
This is perfect, just like this. You can use this AI tool to generate videos for any niche under this stories niche category. The BigMotion AI team has a special offer exclusively for my audience who wants to become content creators. Sign up using the unique link below this video to get 7 days of videos, 1 video per day for just $1. Niche number 2, self-love niche. This niche is actually a part of the motivation niche, but this is not saturated as it is. The best example channel for this niche is this one. As you can see here, they have 12.3 million subscribers. I know that this channel has been uploading videos for several years, but still, you can start a new channel like this today and grow it without any issues. Another example channel for this niche, this one called Stellar Thoughts. This channel has some unique content about self-love and spirituality. This niche has a RPM of around $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. This means you will get paid around $3 per every 1,000 views. I mean, that's a pretty good amount. The next question is how to create videos for this niche. I will show you how to do it as well. First, I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a list of video ideas. For that, I'm going to use this prompt. Using this prompt, you can generate any number of video ideas for this niche. As you can see here, we have 10 video ideas for this niche. I'm going to select this one, which is what happens when you stop complaining for 30 days. Now, let's create a video script for this topic using ChatGPT. For that process, I have created a unique prompt as well. You can use this prompt and only change the topic of the video. As you can see here, we have a script for this video, and now it's time to generate the voiceovers for this script. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process. To be honest, it's the best AI voice generator that you can find. I'm going to select a deep voice for this video, and you just need to copy the script and generate voiceovers. It's really simple. Then you need to find suitable stock videos to represent this story. Pexels.com is a free website where you can download free stock videos. And don't worry guys, you can still monetize your videos using this stock footage. Apart from that, you can use AI-generated images to improve the quality of your videos. After you get all these materials, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit and complete your video for this niche. Niche number 3, manifestation and energy niche. I know a lot of you guys don't even know or heard about this niche, but still, this is one of the best and easiest faceless niches with millions of highly engaging audiences. This is one of my favorite channels in this niche. They have managed to gain 111,000 subscribers with just 35 videos. Another example channel for this niche is a channel called Wisdom Nuggets. Now, let me show you how to create videos for this niche. I have already shown you how to find video ideas, create a video script, generate voices, and obtain necessary stock videos. I will leave all the prompts that you need for this niche in the comments section. Now let me show you how to edit those in CapCut and create the final video. Let's start with creating a new project. Once you create your project, select this Modify button and select the suitable ratio for a long video, which is a 16:9 ratio. Then, you need to import all the videos and material we generated for this video. Let's start the process by dragging the voiceover part to the timeline. Now, you need to add all the video clips that we downloaded on top of this voiceover. Make sure to match the videos with the voiceovers. Once you added all the videos, it's time to add some transitions to this. Go to Transitions from the top menu and add suitable transitions between these separate clips. Now, let's add some cool effects to the video. For that, go to this adjustment from the top menu and add a new custom adjustment layer on top of this. Now, using this menu, you can edit the color tone of the video. And by using all these options, you can easily customize brightness, contrast, and overall colors in your video. So make sure to play with these and add a suitable color tone for your video. And once you complete that part, we can add subtitles to this video. Select this text option from the top menu, select this auto captions, and generate the captions for your video. Now, as you can see here, we need to edit these captions to stand out more. First, let's make this text a little bit bigger and place it in the middle of the video, and I'm going to capitalize all the letters. Make sure to add a good font from here. I'm going to go with this one. Now, if you go to this effects option, you can add a cool glowing text effect to the subtitles after selecting a good effect. Let's animate these subtitles. For that, go to this animation from this top menu and select this caption option. As you can see here, we have a lot of text animations. Select a suitable one for your video, and now we are almost done. We just need to add background music to this. And with that, our video is done. Let's see the final output.
There are days, and then there are those days, the kind where nothing feels quite right. You wake up, go through the motions, but the things you used to enjoy feel like they've lost their color. Hobbies, conversations, even simple joys, they're there, but they don't reach you the way they used to. If you're feeling like that, you're not alone.
So guys, just like this, you can start your own channel in one of these successful niches. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.